Hi everyone, I am doing this video because I want to talk about scams and fraud. Right now we know I've been promoting it a lot about how there's help available for individuals from the state of Illinois to be able to pay for your rent. There's also help available to be able to pay for your mortgage if you're behind on the mortgage. And the amounts are pretty big. They're about $5,000 for rent and about $15,000 if you're behind on your mortgage. Now, I want to talk about fraud because I feel like a lot of people, honestly, they don't believe about this program. They aren't really applying, and I don't blame them. There's a lot of fraud, especially now playing around with the whole COVID thing going around. I feel like people are taking advantage of the situation and they are, knocking on people's door, pretending to be, from certain agencies when they're not. They're pretending to call perhaps from the IRS and saying, hey, you have a balance of $5,000, but if you send me right now $1,000, we will eliminate the balance of your debt. And people, without them knowing, they go ahead and they go to Western Union and send a payment. And the number one tip that I want to give you guys is please don't ever send anyone any payments through Western Union. That's just like me going to the corner right now and handing someone $1,000 and they start walking away. That's money I will never ever be able to get back. The other scam that's very frequently used is they're asking people to pay with gift cards. So they'll tell you, oh yeah, go ahead, go get me an Apple gift card and put X amount of money and send me the numbers over the computer and we'll fix whatever the problem, whatever the issue it is. Do not do that. Do not send anyone money through gift cards. Do not send anyone any money through Western Union. And honestly, I always tell people and invite people, if you ever get a phone call saying, oh, there's something wrong with your social security number, call us or give us $3,000. Tell them, okay, no problem. Actually, my attorney's handling this for me. Give them my phone number. I invite you to give them my number, 312-226-4232, and I guarantee you that will never bother you again. So the scammers are becoming actually really savvy where now I will see my caller ID and I will say that they're calling me from the Social Security Department. And so you will go phone call saying, hey, your Social Security number has been compromised. We just need to verify your information. And people really thinking, relying because, oh, it says Social Security Department, they start confirming their information and or they start giving out information that they actually didn't even have. So just be careful. Also, they're never going to be demanding. They're never going to be pressuring you. Also when it's tax season as well, the IRS, hey, you're undocumented. You have a balance again of $5,000, but if you give us a payment right now of $1,000, we'll forgive your debt, and or if you don't pay us, we're gonna go ahead and call immigration. I've also gotten calls from my clients telling me that they get a call from immigration and saying, hey, they're saying that I owe fees. And these are things that, an immigration officer will never call you to tell you that you owe them fees. If anything, maybe they may reject your application if it doesn't have the correct fees. And if truly there is a payment due, you'll probably get something in the mail, but not a phone call. I would never, even if they tell you you're missing certain fees, you can be like, okay, no problem. I'll make the check payable to immigration. Where do I mail it? But never over the phone, never wire any money, never do any gift cards. Again, right now I feel like with these programs that are available with, getting help from the Illinois Housing Authority of $1,000, it sounds too good to be true. And there's scammers out there who are saying, you know what, your petition has been approved. We will send you $5,000, but you need to send us $500 in order for us to process the paperwork. And that is not true. I can guarantee you, anybody who asks you money to give you money, it's never going to work. That's a scam. And don't ever trust them and follow your gut instinct. I actually had recently, and I actually did a video previously of a young guy who someone called saying, hey, we're calling from the Social Security Department. Your Social Security number has been compromised. It was fun. Honestly, the facts that were saying, it was honestly extreme. We found your car with like blood, fingerprints, and there was a large amount of money of cash involved. Now, you're sending money to drug cartels, and now your Social Security number has been linked to this issue. Please send us $1,500 in gift cards, and we'll be able to issue you a new Social Security card. And when I asked my client why did he believe with gift cards, he explained because right now everyone's using the excuse with COVID. Oh, everything happened with COVID. We're having glitches in our system. We're having issues or delays. So this is the only way that you can pay. So again, I'm creating this Facebook, this recording or this video for you guys, so you guys can share this information. Knowledge is power, and the more knowledge you have, you're better able to defend yourself. So again, any government entity will never call you asking you to they're not gonna pressure you to give them money to fix an issue. They're gonna give you the options and explain it. They're not going to tell you they're going to call the police or they're going to call immigration. It's honestly not the way things are run here in the United States. Again, if you guys have any questions, I can be reached at 312-226-4232. You can also follow me on Facebook. I frequently do updates or videos as to what's going on. You can follow me in Abogada Rocio or Law Office of RSB. Again, my number 312-226-4232. And thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to share.